Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw Kaaba, the holy place for Muslims. It has a solid shape. Let's draw a straight line first. Another straight line here and another straight line here. Then we connect these two lines along here and here, and also connect these two lines. Looks like it's a solid box. It usually looks like this. So the cloths are folded at the bottom. The exposed bricks we can see like this. All right, little decorations here. Also here we see another straight line. It's connected in this side too, and this is like this. The minar, or the tallest parts, are here. All right, there's a little decoration on top. We see it step by step. Looks like this. Let's put another one here on this side. It looks like this. Another tire here. Okay, this is on top, another one on top, another small one, and a stand, and the moon here. Let's draw a horizontal line here. Put the shades of the bricks like this. So these are the bricks at the bottom of the drawing. These are the wrinkled part. All right, ground looks like this. Let's put the black and dark shade here. Also this side. Also here. The decorated part is lightly visible. Alright. Light shades goes on the brick wall too. Also in this brick wall. Alright. This is the ground. Let's put some shades on the mirror too. Okay. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe and do the practice. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.